Far Eastern University starting off pretty good here in set number 3. They are up by 4.
End of the first.
Carl de la Calzada now to serve for the Tamaraws.
You know, when I asked Coach George Pasco what was their biggest advantage against DLSU, agad-agad he said their experience. Well, now experience is really coming into play in this third set.
As I said a while ago, only 2 players gone from last year's lineup that was a finalist in the UAAP Season 73. Kaya lang, natalo sila sa UST in 2 straight games in the finals. But still, it was a very competitive final series, despite what you will see in the scoring records.
Oh, and that turned back totally. You can see Brandon Joseph Santos all alone for that block against De Pamailo.
And that should give a boost to LaSalle. Over-eager there was J.R. Labrador.
Going for a powerful hit, but just was long. Not enough angle, but then again, that you could really hear the sound, the thud in that last play.
A running set again for Petrus to J.R. Labrador.
And then you can see the versatility of Labrador really in that previous play.
And De Ocampo showing his versatility here. Look at this. De Ocampo, the setter, taking it upon himself to send this baby back down. Michael Antonio just looking at a teammate there.
Oh, that was a save by Cerveza.
Running set again for De Ocampo.
Now you can see FEU varying their hits, going again for combination plays. We asked that question before this set, and going back, iniba na naman nila, no? Kanina, second set, parang mga high sets, pero this time going back to low, combination of low and high sets.
And so far, LaSalle has not rediscovered their defense, their strong defense that they put against FEU in the first set, wherein they had 5 block points.
Because now it's harder to read FEU.
So great adjustment on the part of Coach George Pasco and the FEU players. A joust at the top. LaSalle now.
Oh, that's going to be overset once again. De Ocampo taking that gift.
That's the second one he's had here in the third set. When you have a high-flying, tall, and left-handed setter that can also attack like Petrus De Ocampo, that's a dangerous weapon.
Almost a short point every time. Oh, that's another over-received
And again, Petrus De Ocampo with another point.
He's just taking so many gifts. Birthday ba niya?
And I like the reaction after getting this point. Look at De Ocampo.
Well, that's men's volleyball for you. Oh, but
Thank you.
Labrador blowing that serve away.
He's had a couple of service errors here this day.
8.
Still a 5-point lead for the Tamaraws, though.
For De La Salle.
Christensen now to serve for LaSalle. De Ocampo sets it to the open hit.
Oh, that's going to be a long one. Good read there by De La Salle. Not reaching for that ball.
9 serving 13. Serving. Christensen.
Christensen once again for LaSalle. De Ocampo, who will he go to? Goes to that open hit by De Pamailo, but again, it's too strong.
You know what they're doing now is trying to get check balls, pero it's not working because LaSalle is not getting into the trap.
Service.
Not biting that trap coming from FEU. So let's see if FEU will change their game plan.
They go back to Labrador from the back row.
Score denied.
Look at the taunting from both squads. Pero Monty naman rin pala De La Vega.
Yeah.
Face block through the net.
11-13. Service. Christensen.
Checking on his mouth, talking about Kevin De La Vega.
Well, it's still there. in their proper places pa naman yung ano niya.
What a strong hit by Labrador. Moving the net
Pamailo
and
on the angle.
Coach Sam
and
Pilar says
That's a
outside,
point
but it's a point.
for FEU.
De Pamailo,
14
third-year
11.
player
Budoy
for
de Pamailo.
Far Eastern University. And again, this will be still a very strong team for season 75 next year. Oh, service error.
+1 for De La Salle.
So now it's them Pamailo with that service error. A while ago it was Labrador, so that's easy 2 points given to DLSU. One-handed set.
Chance ball now for FEU. Petrus to JR.
Oh,
Off the hand of Christensen.
just too much power behind that attack. Take a look at it once again.
Wait
Alam mo,
for it.
Christensen was on the perfect spot, but it was just too powerful to handle.
For FEU.
Served by Petrus.
Oh, nice combination play.
Oh! Labrador able to keep it alive.
And credit Santos, their setter, for that last play. What a beautiful set. Look at this. Inipit niya na konti, binigay sa likod. And
15.
Antonio just responding to that set.
And LaSalle has come to within 2. Cerveza to serve here for them. De Ocampo. Santos, it's a back set to
Oh.
Marco Antonio.
From the right.
And Antonio once again, back-to-back points.
That's 1 point for a
Right back at ya.
Uh-huh.
Third set. Christensen. Rather, Philip Cerveza serving.
It is a 1-point deficit stared upon by LaSalle.
Avila through the block.
And FEU able to get a point there. A tight third set, and it is a very important one for both teams. We'll be back.